Okay, in this video we're going to actually set up our Genius Post and put all of the data in there that it needs to run. If you've watched the other videos, you've got it installed, you've changed your password, you've set up some segments, you've set up some groups, you've created a post, you've let it sit for a day or two. Now, there are supposed to be a couple of places that this software runs. Right now there's only one because there is a bug in the other one. If you've used this before with the classic user interface, you're used to clicking the time and opening the post to its own page. It does not work there right now. If you try to do that and click Use Genius Posts, what's going to happen is it's just going to sit there. We are working on that bug, but no worries, it still works. You simply need to go to the post on your wall. Wherever that post is, right there on your page, click the three dots there, click Use Genius Posts. It'll open that post in mobile, and then it will open Genius Posts settings, and you'll see a page like this. And if you ever forget where you are, you can hit this View Post, and it'll take you back to the page. So give it a title, and this is going to be a title that'll show up in a group of cards that you'll have. I'll show you shortly. And it needs to be something preferably short and memorable. So I'm just going to call this Giveaway Lifetime Partner. Okay, description, 11 positions for a lifetime partnership opportunity with Facebook giveaway extension for Facebook giveaway extension. Okay, so that's what we have there. Now we want to set some keywords. Okay, now if you remember the post, I am going to go ahead and click View Post. If you remember the post that we did in the previous video, in case you haven't seen it, I have two keywords there. I have partner and I have software. Now I'm only going to use one of these, and I'll show you why shortly. But I did a hashtag. So what I want to do is, let's close that out. We'll go back here. I'm going to do the actual one that I typed is hashtag partner, then hit a comma. I'm just going to do partner. Okay, and it should not be, capitals shouldn't matter or anything like that, partner. And I'll just leave those two in there. So hashtag partner and partner. Now, reply lists. Type your reply variation and press enter. Now this is going to be the reply. Let me show you the post again. This is going to be the reply that goes here. If you were to hit that, it's the reply that would go in that spot right there. So this will show up on the wall. And you want to type a few variations. These don't have the segments and the groups that we showed in the other video. That's for the messages that go to Messenger. The reply lists are the ones that will go on the wall. So I'll put something like, thanks for replying, check for a PM from me. From me. Okay? And then hit a comma. I'll do thanks. See your DMs for info. Period. Comma. Okay? Let's do thank you for the interest. Sent you a PM. Comma. Let's do a couple more. Thanks for the interest. Whoops. Get rid of that. I hit enter. Thanks for the interest. I just sent you some info in Messenger. Okay, see, these are all different. You don't want these to all be the same. Okay, let's do a comma. Let's do, I don't know, one more. I'll just put great. See your Messenger chat from me. I'll put CA. See a Messenger chat from me. That's pretty good for now. You get the idea. And we could do a fallback reply list. The fallback is for people who did not put in these keywords. And if you're only going to send a reply and it doesn't matter if they have a keyword, you just leave the keywords blank and just fill out the reply list. You don't have to put a keyword. I recommend it. That's the best way to use this. A fallback reply list, these will be the people who did not put hashtag partner or partner in their reply to my post. So I'll just put something like thanks for your comment. I'll just put thanks for your comment. Okay. And thank you for the comment. We'll just put 2 of them in there. Okay, now we want to select a message group. Okay. And the message group is for people who did the keywords. And the group I want to do is this Facebook giveaway partnership lifetime. Do we want to tag the user? Okay, so what that is, you know how when you hit reply, sometimes it puts, it's going to take seconds, sometimes it puts their name in there. Do you want to tag their name in there or not? Sometimes it's a good idea, sometimes it's not. For this one, I'm going to put, no, we won't tag them. Okay, minimum time to reply. This is in seconds, okay? So it wants to take a break. It doesn't want to put all of these replies out at one time. You have to give it at least a minute. So I'm going to do, well, for this example, I'm only going to do 60 seconds because I want to show you 1 or 2. And we want a random delay of 12 seconds. And then we want to reply after 4 replies, and we're going to pause for 4 minutes. So it'll wait a minute, give or take 12 seconds. Okay? It'll wait 60 seconds, give or take 12. Then it'll send the reply and send the message. Then it'll wait 60 seconds, give or take 12 seconds, send a reply, send a message. And then after the 4th reply, it's going to take a pause for 4 minutes. And then we can have a random time between the pauses. So if you have 100 replies, for example, you don't want it exactly 4 minutes after each one. You can give it a little reply. Let's use 23 seconds. And then do we want to go from the latest post engagement? This is if you've already run it before. You might want to put yes and go from whatever the last engagement was and start there. We're just going to hit no and save Genius Posts. Okay, it's saved as a card in the pop-up. The window will be closed. I will show how to run your Genius Post in the next video.